Hey, this is Chris, and I've got a great new update for you folks with HubSpot. So our new HubSpot workflow extension, we just added a brand new extension in here to give you the ability to send a text message based on a HubSpot user property or a contact owner. So this is the original one where it allows you to send a text based on a team member or phone number in Salesmsg. The new one here allows you to send it based off of that user property. So a contact owner, this is one we have called a sales rep. You can actually create custom user properties. Now the idea with this is, in fact, with our original triggers, we allowed you to do this. The idea is you want the ability to send a text message as the owner or the lead owner. So give you an example, somebody fills out a web form and you're rotating those leads, right? So Mary gets one, Mark gets one, Jill gets one, and so forth. With this new extension, this allows you to send the text based on the contact owner, right? So if Mary owns the contact, well, let's send the text coming from Mary's sales message phone number, right? If Mark owns the lead, let's send the text coming from Mark's sales message number, and so on and so forth. And it's all based off of this property here called a user property, right? You can create as many as you want within HubSpot. So we can go ahead and create our text, right? And I can save this, and there it is, right? So whatever your workflow is, whatever that trigger is, you can automatically send that text from the contact owner. So if we head over to Salesmsg, the way to set this up is once you have connected HubSpot, you want to go to the settings and you want to make sure that you are mapping these users, right? So if we want to map over these users, we'll need to do this in order to do the contact ownership. So just go ahead and map these and you can create your workflows and start sending text based off of who owns them in HubSpot. So I hope that helps. It's an awesome feature, helps you simplify and truly scale some of your campaigns and workflows. Looking forward to hear your feedback, but let us know. And thanks so much, and talk to you soon. Take care.